and welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut and I'm here outside of the Eden Gardens. And while the CSK versus KKR match was one of the most thrilling and the fans got what they wanted to see, MS Dhoni batting in the middle, hitting a few good shots and CSK winning. But at the same time, tonight is one of the biggest nights in Indian cricket history. Rohit Sharma, former Test captain, one of the most prolific Test batters, has now announced his retirement. And Rev Sports, exactly 29 minutes before Rohit Sharma announced his retirement, had broken multiple team members from Rev Sports and of course from our official handle as well. The news was broken exactly 29 minutes before Rohit Sharma officially announced it on his Instagram story. While we celebrate CSK's incredible win, a thrilling match and a Dhoni performance and a Devol Brevis performance as well, we will be sad that the one icon that we grew up watching, one of the most incredible batters in Indian history, is now saying goodbye to his second format. First it was a T20 format after the T20 World Cup, and now it's Test cricket. He's not going to be playing in the England series, and I think for many of us it's going to be a little bit nostalgic because when we were in Australia at the Border Gavaskar Trophy, covering the Border Gavaskar Trophy, most of us did not know that that would be the last time we would be watching Rohit Sharma. So when we look back on that, it's special but sad at the same time. On the other hand, if we talk about tonight's game, a lot of special little nuances in the game tonight. One of the biggest parts about tonight's game, apart from the cricket, was the fact that at multiple points in the game, the DJs, the songs that were played were all dedicated to the Indian Army. After Operation Sindoor took place in the morning, tonight what we saw at the match, the light show was back on. The cheerleaders had been back on way before. But tonight, all the songs that were played were very patriotic, getting the fans to stand in solidarity with the Pahalgam victims, and also the fact that there was a special, in the last one of the strategic timeouts, the DJ announced that this song is being played for the in tribute to the Indian Army, and everyone was asked to stand up and sing Vande Mataram along with the song, and that was one of the most beautiful moments of the game. Apart from, of course, all the cricketing action that we saw tonight, and KKR will be now very, very sad and disappointed because now, with this loss, their playoff chances are out of the window. They had to win 5 matches on the trot, and when you say 5 matches on the trot in a T20 tournament, it becomes very, very difficult. Even if KKR had won tonight and the remaining 2 matches, they would have to wait for other permutation and combinations to go their way, which is something that is very unlikely to happen, highly unlikely to happen, and the odds were stacked against Kolkata Knight Riders. But Kolkata Knight Riders say goodbye to their playoff chances and the IPL tournament. CSK are already out, but again, at the end of the day, it was a good match and a very, very happy farewell to Rohit Sharma.